Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Fortnite in Windows, PC or laptop. So for this, first we need to download Epic Games and later Fortnite. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Epic Games. We'll be having the store.epicgames.com. Click it, and to the rightmost top we will be having the download option. Select that and the installer will be getting downloaded. It is around 80 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it and we'll be getting the Epic Games launcher setup. The first step is changing the installation location, because by default it is going to get installed in local disk C. In many cases you won't be having enough space in that. So if you want to change it to local disk D or E, you can click change and change it. If you are fine with this, just click on install. So I have changed the default path and I will click on install now. So you will also be getting this downloading update, so just be patient till then. Once it is complete, you will be getting an interface to sign in to Epic Games. If you don't already have an account, just click on create an account and this will allow you to create a new account. Okay, so just sign in. We will be taken to the store of Epic Games, and here in the top we will be having a search store option. Here just search for Fortnite and select this, and this game is absolutely free, and just click on get and you won't be charged anything. Just click on place order. We will be getting this thanks for your order. Just click on view in library. So here, as you can see, we are having Fortnite and just click on it. This is going to be the default location where Fortnite will be installed. It is C program files Epic Games, but in many cases we will be having very less space in our local disk C. So if you want to change it, just click on browse and you can create another folder in local disk D or E. So I will just go to local disk D and create a new folder named Fortnite. The reason is being this particular game is around 80 GB in size. So I will just click on that new folder and select folder. So the location has been changed and these are fine. Create shortcut, auto update game. So now just click on install. So it will basically download and install, and as you can see here we are having Fortnite initializing, and we can just click on this expand. It is around 87 GB in size, so make sure that you are having good internet connection and be patient for a while. Once it is installed, you will be getting completed. You can simply close it, and we also will be having a shortcut in the desktop. You can simply launch here. That's it, you will be getting Fortnite. Just be patient. You will be getting the Fortnite interface like this. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.